Welcome to Smart Kid Learning. Today's lesson is about future continuous tenses. In this lesson, we will discuss about the when it is used, how it is formed, tenses structure, formula, form of verb. Future continuous tenses is used to describe actions, atmosphere in the future, ask a question, future plan. In positive tense, we use will be in the sentence. In negative sentence, we use will not be with the verb. In interrogative form, we use will in the beginning of sentence. For example, he will be play. He will not be play. Will he be play? You will be studying. You will not be studying. Will you be studying? In this example, studying is the first form of verb with ing. Actions in the future. For example, when you get home, I will be watching this movie. When you come tomorrow, they will be playing tennis. Questions about the future. Will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? Will you be leaving Mexico tonight? Describe the atmosphere. This time next week, they will be dancing, chatting together, and having fun. When I arrive at the party, everybody will be celebrating. Let's practice. For example, I will be studying tomorrow. Now you try. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.